All right, well, Drew's getting everything ready here. We've got to install our rear decking T-support, which is going to mount right here on this tab. We had to make it a little bit longer. We're going to bring it up flush here with our tub decking. This way we can tie everything in, all the panels we made, start getting everything put together. We also have a rear T-bar back here. It's going to tie in right here. We need a marker. And we want the angle side to go under the lip. Don't you think that would make more sense?
Yeah. So have it this way and this way.
To me, that makes more sense.
Right, yeah, because it's holding the top of this.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So let's take this guy.
Just want to set him on the bench over here. Mark those, I'll drill them.
You just want a washer on the one side?
What's that?
You just want a washer on the one side?
Yeah.
There we go.
Go over there and hold those for me. Put a little extra support in them. I seem to bend them up pretty easily.
We can snuggy once we get back on the
Right.
car over here.
He chose the faster way to get on.
Alright.
Set it up here and
Yep.
kind of see what we got.
Alright, H-Man, you're in charge of this here. You know how this works? Just get it in here good, make sure you're on target, okay?
Yeah. I got a regular tripod.
So we may have to nipper the front here. It looks like we're hitting the bar a touch. Unless I pick up on it and sit it right there.
Well, it's all about how far you want it to go up. I mean, I'm already up above the decking right here.
Well,
So
we
I
just
would
made
need to
them an
go
inch
down.
longer, so that way we can play with them. I need to nip the side of this, and then I can probably set it down a little bit. What are you doing over there? What are you getting all artsy?
No, I'm not.
Huh? Yeah, you are. You're looking. I mean, good Lord, son.
It's my birthday, I do whatever I want.
I know. It's just a T-bar. What's actually level on this car again? Is it the spoiler you wanted?
You are at the whole
Huh?
pie. Like that? Is that how you want it cut?
However,
Alright, go. Up higher.
It's nothing like the picture.
Alright, I got a mess over here. Okay. That's pretty close.
I mean, right there looks pretty good on the front T-bar going across there. I gotta hold mine up just a skosh.
I mean, if you just come right into there, I mean, you can just lift that up just a smidgen. You're right there.
Yeah.
That looks pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think, H-Man?
Pretty good.
Look at it from the back there and check that line with that front T-bar.
Looks like you're a little low. Yeah, that looks better. That looks better. I like that. I don't know how you'll mark that, but. I saw some wiggle room there.
I think we're gonna need to touch longer bolts, babe.
Long bolts, rudder. Is that too long? How about that one?
I think we'll get this one ordered. Ain't nothing like box bolts.
Nope, we got everything we need right here.
Now this one over here, Sam, were we gonna put this diagonal piece back in here any different? Maybe sandwich it in here? Because I think
Which
before
diagonal piece are you talking about? Oh, well, I think we need to figure out where we need to be with that piece. Because we're probably gonna have to change the angle there. Because that was for our old body. I think our bend is probably a little bit deeper.
Right.
And then when we figure that out, you're talking like this piece here.
Yeah. I think we could sandwich it in there.
So it was here and in there.
Yes.
I guess we really need to just run it all the way out to there. That's what we need to do. And we probably need to do it just like we did this one.
Stick it in between
With the
here.
angle on one side and the flat stock on the other. And just go right down, either into here, or you could go to there, you know.
Oh, man, that's the outsies. Tighten it up, man. It'll.
I'm just trying to say, should we keep it more level or not, or?
Well, it's gonna do whatever it's gonna do when you tighten it up. It's whatever angle the tab's at.
Oh, that's way better what it was. Like you said, we get a little.
Golf clap.
Do you want to go ahead and cut that angle piece for that right now? Let's go ahead and do it. We got the piece right here.
I mean,
Let's just get one piece in there. Because you're not really going to squat down and hit that, you know? You're always going to be picking up here.
Alright, back in action. Got this thing, got a new crossbar in there. Makes it super strong. She doesn't want to wiggle no more. Very good. We're going to keep going with this. Trying to fit up the rear T-bar here. We'll put it in fast forward mode for a little bit and let you guys watch this. We're not good at this stuff. We'll give it all we got. Okay, we got our T-bar mocked in here, going across. Looks pretty good. We doubled up our bracket here. make it super strong. Not sure if you guys can see that, but that's a L bracket right there. Put our new T-bar on with our breakaway right rear, because I seem to like to tap the wall every once in a while.
It happens. And we got our battery tightened down.
Yep.
And that's gonna be just about a wrap for today in the garage. Appreciate everybody hanging out with us. If you've enjoyed our content today, or if this is your first time here, please make sure you comment below, hit the like button, share, give us a comment. We love to hear what everybody has to say. Thanks for hanging out with us today, and we'll catch you next time.
Happy birthday. That's why we're not working on the car very long either. See ya.